Hey guys, hey girls, hey whoever, it's Kimberly, welcome back to my channel. Now today, I'm going to be reviewing the black liner haul from ULTA Beauty. It's a collection of 5 eyeliners and it has 1 eyeliner brush. So let's open this and see what it's all about. Eyeliner, obviously. Alright, pull it out of the box. And it's wrapped in tissue paper. It comes with the ULTA Beauty gel eyeliner, the ULTA Beauty cat eyeliner stamp, which I'm actually really excited about for this one, the felt tip liner, the matte liquid liner, and then the gel liner. So I have my hand mirror handy, and then let's see what it's about. Now I'm going to try the gel liner first. Open. And just lightly line my top lid. That's how it looks on that eye. It took a minute to start warming up, but it actually worked fairly well. Now to this side, I'm actually going to add the cat eyeliner stamp. So let me open this. This is what it looks like. It's really nice looking, and let's see how this goes. Applied a nice small wing. It's harder to see on me because I do have hooded eyes, but it does look nice. So I'm going to put the cap back on this one. It was actually really easy to use. Came out the first try. And then I'm just going to quickly grab the gel liner again and connect it. Then after connecting, it looks really good. On this eye, I'm going to be trying the felt tip liner. And then just carefully line my outer eye with this, or my upper eyelid. Kind of blinked there. It applied a smooth, thin line other than where I blinked. But went on fairly smoothly. And for this wing, we're going to be trying the matte liquid liner. Still thin clinged. And then it looks like this. So I'm going to gently apply my usual wing. Now, this is not very flexible at all, but almost felt like I was stabbing myself actually. But went on fairly well, not quite even with the stamp, but if you stamp on both sides it should work. And then lastly, I'm going to be using the gel eyeliner pot with the brush it came with. So let me just Looks like that. Going to dip in with this brush it came with. Warm it up some. And use it on my lower lash line. And that's how that looks with that. It applied really smoothly. I actually love this. Seems to be great for drawing out any designs you might want or anything. Went very well, very smooth, very easy to apply. And I actually really like the set. I think it'd be great for someone who's beginning with eyeliner. And I actually would recommend this to anyone who would be interested in this. So, love you guys. Have a lovely day. Bye.